Today is the last day I am going to read you a book about an insect. Today, I am going to read you a book about aphids. Touch your nose if you've heard of an aphid. I've heard of an aphid, but I do not know a lot about them. So I'm really excited to read this book today. You will see that this book has a contents. Remember, an author can call it a table of contents or just contents. What is an aphid? Page 4. How aphids look. Page 8. How aphids eat. Page 14. Aphids and ants. Page 18. Glossary. Page 22. To learn more. Page 23. And index. Page 24. Aphids are tiny insects. One aphid could fit on the head of a pin. So that shows you how small an aphid can be. In this picture, you will see that an aphid can be red and an aphid can be white. So that's telling me that they can be different colors. Aphids live on the leaves of trees and other plants. And on this tree, those are all the aphids in white. Thousands of aphids can live on one plant. So I want you to notice how the author has shown us on this page and this page how they can be different colors. What else do you notice that's similar? And on this page, look at the picture, and this page. What are you noticing? I'm noticing that the author is showing them in groups. So I wonder if the author is going to tell us that aphids are always in groups. Most aphids are green or black. They can also be red, yellow, or other colors. Some aphids have a fuzzy wax covering that looks like cotton. And so look how the author shows you an aphid that looks like cotton. It helps keep aphids warm and dry, so it's like their coat. Aphids have a soft body and a small head. Some aphids have wings. They can fly from plant to plant. So not all aphids can fly, only some of them can. Aphids have 6 thin, weak legs. They do not walk far. So they have 6 legs, just like our grasshopper and our beetle, and their legs are very weak, which is probably why they cannot walk far. They need strong legs to be able to do that. Aphids have 2 antennas. So here on the picture are the antennas. The label has an arrow to show you where to look to see the antennas. They use their antennas to feel and smell, just like the grasshopper and just like the beetle. An aphid's mouth is shaped like a tube, and the picture shows a label has mouth, and then the arrow is pointing to where the mouth is, so it shows you where your eyes need to look to see the mouth. Aphids suck plant juices through their mouth, so it's like a straw. Aphids can make plants sick. Some plants stop growing and their leaves curl. So because they're sucking the juices from plants, they could be taking away the nutrients of these plants and causing them to die. Aphids have 2 tubes on their body. Let's look at the picture. It says tubes, and look at the arrows where it's pointing. That is where the tubes are on their body. A juice called honeydew flows out of these tubes. So the author here told us what honeydew is. It's a juice, and it comes out of those tubes. Honeydew drips and forms a sticky coating where it lands. So anywhere that it drips and it lands, it's sticky there. Ants eat the sweet honeydew. Aphids let ants collect honeydew from their bodies. Ants take care of aphids in return. Ants carry aphids to new plants that they can eat. So we learned, let's go back to the page where it talks about their legs. They have very weak legs, so that is why they need ants. The ants take them places, take them to plants where they can eat, and in return, the aphids say thank you by letting them eat the honeydew on their tubes or the honeydew that they drop. Ants protect aphids from ladybugs and other predators. Aphids and ants eat each other. Wow, so not only do they protect each other, but then they eat each other. And that is the end of the book. Now, what is something you learned about an aphid? I did not know that aphids can have a covering that looks like cotton that's fuzzy to keep them warm and dry. Something else I did not know is I did not know that they need ants and that ants need them too. So that was something that I learned new from this insect book. Well, I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope you learned something new about aphids.